Okay, folks, full disclosure here. So I was a little bit in error, and I put up a video yesterday on these repairs I'm making, replacing motor mounts, which are definitely needed. Now, apparently, my vehicle is actually a 2001, not a 2004. So they do share some motor mounts, but it's only one, and fortunately, it's it's not the one that's in the rear, which I put in yesterday. It fits, but it's not the right one. So that's way back there. That's that one way back there. So I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna get the right one. The one that's up front, I'll show you. I can show you better from the top. So we move up front here. So that one's okay. That's the right model. That's the right one. And I was able to get that one in there that one went in pretty cool. There's one. This is one here that I took out, and it's not there. So I'll show you what that one is looking like. Let's move over. Got my stuff kind of laid out here. You know I'm getting down because I'm borrowing some tools. I got the impacts are borrowed, but okay. So this is the original. This is the original that sits up in that side. That one goes down in there. Okay, that's the original. I'm gonna move over. That's a bracket. It goes up with that one. And let's see where. Okay. Well, anyway, the other one is the wrong one. Now, coming over to the transmission mounts. So there's the old transmission mounts. They're worn. So I'm like, this is a good time to, since I'm in here doing this, I might as well get those out. Inexpensive. But you can see the new one is different than the old one. So that's not gonna work. And same for this side too. So that's not gonna work. So that's a total foo bar. And as you can see, in order to do this job, you gotta remove the wheels. So you gotta remove the wheels, you gotta get it up on jack stands. Let's see. Now, I was talking about engine rattle. So the rear was blown out, but also this is the old one on the front. So I showed you the one on the front. This is the old one. And you can look down in there, and there's the new one's in there. So here is, I think, another issue that I was talking about, that engine rattle. See how that's blown. So when that's just sitting in there, that's rattling. You know, there's a lot of weight going in on that, so that's blown out. But that one, that's gonna get swapped out with the right one also. All right, folks. So that's where it's at for today. This is actually an 01, and when you're doing work like this, it definitely matters. Make, year, and model. All that stuff matters. So this is kind of what you got to do to get these motor mounts. Let's see if I can show you why it was so challenging to get that one down in the corner. It's way back down in there. You can't even see it from this shot. Anyways, all right. Well, I'll try to keep you posted here. 2001 Acura MDX.